Hi everyone, this is Geeta Priyan. So in this project, we're going to explain about the Phonepe data visualization and exploration using the different Phonepe data, which is aggregated insurance, aggregated transaction, aggregated user, and map insurance, map transaction, and map users, and top insurance, top transaction, and top users. So initially, we are initialing all the packages which we need for this particular project. So we importing all the libraries, and then we start creating the data frames for the given data. So we initializing the connection for the PostgreSQL. After that, we creating the data frame for aggregated insurance, and then we creating the data frame for aggregated transactions, and then aggregated user, and the same thing we are doing for the map part, and then the same thing we are doing for the top insurance, top transaction, top users. So we just created the tables in the PostgreSQL. So after that, we are creating the function for chart in this chart function. Uh, Initially, we are analyzing about transaction amount count and using the year basis. So this is the function for the year, and then after that we analyzing using the quarter. So we're just creating the same. We creating the function for the quarter as well. So after that, we're just creating the function for aggregator transaction type. So in this transaction type, just we're creating the year transaction amount count year and data frame, and then we just grouping, and then we analyzing for the different transaction count and transaction amount using the state wise. After that, we're going to the aggregated user part. We are analyzing for the year using the branch and transaction count. And after that, we're going to the aggregated user analysis part. So in this function, we are analyzing using the quarter for the different branch and transaction count. And then in this function, we just, x-axis we are using the brand, and then y-axis we are using the transaction count, and then we are analyzing based on the brands and transaction count. The same thing we are doing for the map users, uh, map user for the plot 2. We are just plotting for plot 2 and then plot 3. And then same thing we are doing for the top users, plot 1, plot 2, and then after that we are getting into the filtering part in PostgreSQL. We just writing the query. We just summing all the transaction amounts, and then we just grouping all the states, and then we calculating the transaction amount based on the transaction amount, just using the plotly chart, and then using the plotly chart. We just visualize that particular bar chart on the in the Streamlit, and then same thing we are doing for the plot 2 as well. We just writing the query in the ascending order. On this one, we are writing the query on the transaction amount on the descending order, and this one transaction amount based on the ascending order. And then we just the plot 3 is the average of the transaction amount, and then just plotting the bar chart in Streamlit. After that, we are getting into the top chart transaction count here. So in this transaction count, we just doing the same thing, but we just only changes the transaction count. So we are just coming here, and then we just using the plotly chart, we just visualize this bar chart in Streamlit. After that, so this is a plot 2 for the transaction count, doing the same thing here as well. And then we are going to extract the table details from the SQL. So same as this is for the registered users, and then same descending order. This one is ascending order. So in the plot 3, we just in the plot 3 as well, doing the same ascending order for descending order, and then just the average values. So this is the plots for different visualization process. And after that, we're getting into the Streamlit part. In the Streamlit part, using the set page configuration, which is just setting the page configuration, and then we are creating using the st.title. We're creating the title for this project, and then there is using the sidebar. We just creating three option menus: home, data exploration, and top charts. So yeah, in this home part, we just creating two columns. In the column one, using this fp.header, subheader markdowns, we just writing the texts on the Streamlit, and then column two, we just uploading the image, and then column three and column four, we just in this one, and just take straight opposite to this one. So in this one, left hand side, we write the text, and the right hand side we pasting the image. On this one, we right hand side we posting the image, and then left hand side we uh, writing the text. So on next one is the data exploration button. So if you go to the button, we creating three tabs. One is aggregator analysis, map analysis, and top analysis. If you go to the aggregator analysis part, there is a three radio buttons, which is aggregated insurance, aggregated transaction, aggregated user. So and then same thing, aggregated for the transaction, and then this is for aggregated user. And then if you go to the tab two, we can explore the data, visualize the data about map instructions, map transaction, map users. And then if you go to the tab three, we can see we visualize top insurance, top transaction, and top users. And then this is for the top chart section. This is the 10 question which I have written for the top charts. You can write how many questions you want. And then we're just going to answer these questions using the visualization process. And then if we run this code in Streamlit, so you can see that the home page. So you can see the text here. You can see the images on the right hand side. So you can see the image on the left hand side. You can see the text on the right hand side. And then if you go into the data exploration part, so it will take some time to load this particular page. So you can see there is three buttons: aggregate analysis, map analysis, and top analysis. In this aggregate analysis, you can see aggregated insurance, aggregated transaction, aggregated user. In this particular aggregated insurance, you can select the year, and then it will visualize the transaction amount for this year, and then transaction count for 2020, and then geo visualization. You can see geo visualization for the particular state, how much the transaction amount. Um, so the geo visualization, and then you can visualize uh, for the quarter as well. So for the quarter, you can visualize this one. So this is 2021 first quarter transaction amount. So 2021 quarter transaction, first quarter transaction amount. So next we are getting into the data top charts. So if you click on the top chart section, so we can see the drop down here. So in this drop down, we can see 10 questions over here. So if you click the first question, so that's the transaction amount for top 10 transaction amount. And then this is the last 10 for transaction amount. So then you can click any questions if you want. So if you click on this one, it will show the registered users of map users. So you can see our registered user. And then you can change the state as well if you want. If you select Bihar, give you the details for the Bihar state. The registered users for the Bihar states. So in this format, you can visualize the Phonepe data using state wise, quarter wise, district wise. So you can visualize it. Yeah. So that's it about this